Creating a booking in Rydezilla is a simple process. Just follow these steps, go to the booking page, click on Add New, and enter the start date and time, as well as the end date and time. In some cases, the customer may not have made up their mind about how long they want to rent the car. In such situations, you can leave the end date and time open, creating an open contract. Today, let's select a start date and end date as well. Choose the branch and click on Get Ride. Here, you will see the available cars for booking during this time. Let's take an example and book the red BMW. You can either input the customer's information or search for an existing customer. There is another module for customers where you can enter more details such as the customer ID and driving license information. Let's search for an existing customer with mobile number and select the customer name test. You can also edit the customer's name, like changing it to Fadi Ahmed. Check the customer's phone number and email address. Additionally, you can select any extra services, such as a baby seat, which will be added as extras. If there are any special notes or additional charges, you can include them here. Next, you can also see the original rate set by the company and make changes if necessary. You can make changes in the green highlighted field. You have the flexibility to edit it according to your requirements. For example, you can charge the customer a higher rate, $250 for example. Similarly, if you want to give your customer a discounted rate such as $170, and the total amount will change accordingly. All the details and breakdown such as VAT amount, etc., will be displayed. Once you are satisfied with the booking details, click on Book. After the booking is confirmed, and depending on your preference, you can choose whether the customer should pay the full amount or make an advance payment. You can enter the payment details accordingly. Let's enter $500 as advance payment. In addition to the payment, you can also collect a security deposit for any potential accidents or traffic violations. Let's say you decide to take a security deposit of $1,000. After submitting the booking, you can view the details, such as the username, mobile number, and duration. You can also export the contract as a PDF, which can be printed or digitally sent to the user email as well as Rydezilla app account. The booking number is unique and can be used to identify the booking throughout the system. Besides the booking page, you can find the booking in the Rides section under the same car, the red BMW. You will find the booking details. You will see the same details if you navigate to the customers section and check the customer's name. Furthermore, you will find the same booking as well in the accounting section, which we will discuss in the next video. That's it. You have successfully created a booking. In the next section, we will discuss the payment process.